Hi, to add someone to your Ads Manager account, it's different than your page roles. So it's two-step. You have to add someone as an admin or an editor to your page, and then you have to add someone to Ads Manager. So you go into Manage Ads, and this is for a normal account. If you have Business Manager, it would be different, but you choose the ad account that you would like to add someone on if you want someone to advertise on your behalf, for example. So under here, you go in the little hamburger sandwich and you go into all tools and you're going to go into settings. And once you're in settings, you go here and it says add account roles. And if you want to find more information, there's learn more that's going to give you more information about each level. But if I want, an admin could potentially delete your account, so it has to be someone really trusted. Most people can do everything as ad account advertisers. And then if you want them to just look at the account, it could be an analyst. Enter a friend. So it works way easier if the person is your friend before you try to add them on. So in this case, let's see, Heather, I can see Heather, and then I would click confirm, and she would receive an invitation to be added as an ad account advertiser to my account. So that's it. And you can watch your second video about to add people to your business in page roles. Thank you.